Did you know the Mongols had a postal system faster than some modern mail services? Under Genghis Khan, the YAM system was absolutely ruthless in its efficiency. Mongol messengers could cover over 200 miles in a single day using relay stations scattered across 50,000 miles of routes. Picture this. A message could travel from China to Europe faster than your Amazon package arrives today. How? Pure terror-driven discipline. If a rider delayed a message, they faced execution. No excuses, no second chances. This wasn't just about delivering letters. The Mongols used the YAM to coordinate massive military campaigns across multiple continents simultaneously. While European kings struggled to communicate with neighboring kingdoms, Mongol generals were receiving real-time updates from battlefields thousands of miles away. The system was so brilliant that it directly inspired America's Pony Express and shaped every postal service that followed. The Mongols didn't just conquer the world through violence, they revolutionized global communication forever.